What is the past simple, and how can we talk about ourselves? Part 1. In Part 1, we will focus on how to use the past simple to talk about childhood. Example sentences. I grew up in London. I lived in a flat. I went to a good school. I had lots of friends. Now, the structure is subject plus past simple verb plus object. The past simple verb is the second form of the verb. So, for example, grow, grew, live, lived, go, went, has or have, had. Past simple questions. Question: where did you grow up? Where did you live? Did you like school? Did you have a lot of friends? So the structure. For the first type of questions, we can have a WH question, such as where and what, plus did, plus the first form of the verb, plus the object. For the second type of question, we have did, plus the pronoun, plus the first form of the verb, plus the object. Now, the first form of the verb is the infinitive form of the verb. So we have verbs such as grow, go, live, have, ask, swim. With the WH questions, such as where and what, the intonation goes down at the end of the question. So we have, where did you grow up? Where did you live? The intonation goes down. However, when we look at questions beginning with did, the intonation goes up at the end of the sentence, such as, did you like school? Did you have a lot of friends? Example conversation. Question: where did you grow up? Answer: I grew up in England. Where did you live? I lived in Manchester. Did you like the place? Yes, I did. Did you like school? Yes, I went to a good school. Did you have lots of friends? Yes, I had some good friends. Video challenge. Complete the following sentences. Now, for example, you have the question, where did you blank? And the answer, I blank in the sea, and we need to use the verb swim. So we have, where did you swim? The answer, I swam in the sea. See if you can complete the questions and answers below. That's correct. Where did you move to? I moved to Australia. Where did you live? Answer: I lived in Perth. Did you feel at home? Yes, I felt at home. Did you enjoy school? The answer: yes, I enjoyed school. And finally, did you go abroad on holidays? No, I stayed in Australia. Can you make your own past simple sentences? Can you create your own past simple conversation? If so, leave your answers in the comments section below. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Visit our website to find out how you can have lessons in Malta with us. And thanks for watching. Learn English in Malta with us.